Welcome to the Go Ham Show. I'm DJ Go Ham, and tonight we're going to watch Lil Darkie.
Oink, oink, pig, do away with the pork.
Alright, tonight we're going to watch some Lil Dark-Ass, because Lil Dark-Ass has a great, amazing song, and it's long as shit, so it's probably going to be the only video I do this morning. It's called The Sound of Grounding a Politician's Skull into a Fine Powder. Even though I thought it was like smack a politician with your powder. You sniff powder, if you know what I mean. But anyway, I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about the magical event that happened on January 6th, known as the insurrection on the Capitol. But everybody says that it was a big deal, or at least that's how they want you to feel in the motherfucking media, especially on Twitter. They won't let it go away on the feed. But on some real stuff, I don't think it was enough carnage on that event to call it a big, huge siege. In reality, I imagine a siege having some fire and leaving a building burnt down or something, and people just can't come back and just act like nothing happened like for the rest of the day. On some real stuff, they claim that throughout the world that the Pope has been arrested, that Germany has activated its military, and that Pakistan is under martial law. So I'm gonna be real with you. Like there's rumors that we're under a insurrection ourselves. So Trump had probably signed a deal to start the Insurrection Act. I doubt that. Yeah, everybody's just like passing that on, but to be honest with you, I doubt that. But he's probably going out and he's about to crush a couple of politicians' skulls. But either way, I think I talked too much. I'm just gonna smoke this and like wonder what the hell's gonna happen in the next couple of days, because you got military people actually telling people, "Oh, get water, or you might not have internet." I'm like, that's not gonna happen. We're not gonna have no blackout ourselves. But then again, though, it's 2021. It could be like the sequel to 2020. Anyway, let's smoke. I'm surprised there's some dank left in this. I'm so happy that Trump may have some fight in him, even though they banned him off of all social media. Anyway, let's watch Darkie. This song is explosive. My ears are ringing.
Everybody wanna be something. Everybody wanna be something else. Walnut planet, burning ice mountain. And nobody wanna give nothing. Help. Lessons for likes, comment, follow, interact. Working for the devil, see you bending over backwards.
Yeah! These riffs are just like deadly as hell. Like I feel like I'm watching like motherfucking demons getting raised. I'm like afraid to go outside right now. There's probably zombies and shit. This is the greatest shit I've ever heard. Like this needs to have its own like single. Like it should have like a cover art like for vinyl. Like it would be amazing. Oh God, I got a headache. Everybody, like, this is some punk shit that Darkie always just says. He's gonna, like, make everything just, like epic as fuck. And he really went in with this track. Some death metal and shit. I love it. Is anybody featured on this track? I don't know. Somebody leave in a comment.
What the fuck? The air is fucked. I'm sipping poison out the bottles of fucking models that I never met. On the internet, I'm having virtual sex. I'm coming so hard, my consciousness has fucking left.
Woo! My body.
Okay, this is like some sweet ass Kanye, dope ass sweet beat shit. Like, how the fuck did you make the drums do that?
One that's a narcissist, and my worldview is the ultimate. Everyone else is bloody heretic, heretic, heretic.
You guys hear that? Like, this should be animated. Whoa! Chaos and
And all these city motherfuckers gonna lose their minds. And at this point I do not give a fuck.
Ooh, what sample is that? That boom 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 boom. Leave that in the comments. That's sexy as hell.
You all think they put in drugs in the food and the water you drink, and you don't care cause it's all that you know. The government wants you to hate, want me to hate you to foe. Want us to shoot at the pole so they can put us all down like we dogs in the street of the back of the pound. I gotta say it now.
Go.
We look up to pieces of shit and wanna be a fucking nigga taking pics in the front of a mausoleum. Fuck a race, fuck a flag and a nigga that wanna see him fuck being a being that being.
Okay, I learned that actually was Johannicus, because Johannicus is somewhere in this track, probably just jumping back and forth between him and Darkie because they're evil as fuck like that. But I like to imagine just Darkie just is possessing Johannicus, and then Darkie, and then Johannicus just like underneath the mask is Darkie, and then he'd just be like Johannicus when he puts on the mask. It'd be creepy as shit, you know, like.
Hey, good morning, Janaskis.
What's up, Darkie?
Did you take your blue pill today?
Yeah, I definitely took my blue pill today. How about you?
Oh yeah, I took my blue pill as soon as I woke up.
Oh yeah, very nice. You think there's any other color pills we can take?
Janaskis, are you sure you took your blue pill? You're asking a whole lot of fucking
that was smooth. Oh, Lil Darkie, my homie. Oh. Well, that was milked.
Tell me why we have to fight. Tell me why they cannot understand. Maybe take your revenge on all of us, on all of us alive. Every one of us is working towards your demise. You're a bushy Wow, I'm over here, and I'm over here. And then I'm right here.
I love that. That was like on some my dark, twisted fantasy Kanye shit. Like that was some amazing like composition. Like that'd be like the epilogue of the album, like the last song or something like that. Oh man, I love Swamp. Like this is like a great motherfucking album. Like it was a good little Christmas present for everybody who actually heard it all on Christmas. But I took my time and listened to it over the course of the week. And here we are now, just sitting here, just watching Lil Darkie and thinking about crushing more politics skulls. But on some real shit, I'm finna go and eat me some chicken wings. Everybody go listen to more motherfucking Wendigo. I'm getting the fuck out of here. And Lil